Hey guys, it is Blue Line Sporter 911 back here, or Leo Spills, and doing another video. Just finished a video about 5 minutes ago. It's already been posted. That's how to clean handcuffs / disinfect. And these are the disinfected cuffs, and I will be showing you guys how handcuffs work. Now, I only disinfected one pair, so yeah. Alright, so what you're gonna do is, now here's cuffs. I just took my watch and my other bracelet off. Let's move this over. Got your hand. Now, the handcuffs will go on. Now, you should be able to stick up one finger through the handcuffs. About one finger there. Now you should be able to fit one finger in these handcuffs. Any more, the subjects will get loose. Any less, not any more, the subjects will have a very hurt hand. Any less, they could potentially get out. Now, men tend to have small wrists, big hands. Women have to tend to have small hands, small wrists, small hands. Men actually seem to have more big wrists, big hands, stuff like that. Now, here, since we stuck a finger through here, you can stick a finger through it. So, obviously I can feel I'm not going to get out, and the officer can feel they're not going to get out. So, depending on which pair of cuffs, the double lock could be on the faceplate, double lock could be here, double lock could be anywhere. So now I'm going to show you guys how to double lock these cuffs. Double lock is so that the cuffs don't cinch down on your hands, and the criminals can't get out with double lock on, because it's basically escape resistant. So, got this here. We're going to take the end, little tip of the handcuff key here, and we're going to take that. Basically, we're going to just push that in. It's kind of hard doing with like one hand, but yeah, so that's going to go in there. Usually I do it with two hands. I have one hand on the cuffs, one hand on the keys. That's how I do that. It's a tiny cuff key too, but so now that's in here, and you can't move this cuff anymore. So, adding as much pressure as I can on these cuffs, and it's not coming out. So, that is a double lock there. And then to undouble lock it, you basically just put it in, put the key in, and you twist down to undouble lock it. And you twist it back to the middle, and you twist up to unlock the cuff. So, that is how Peerless chained handcuffs work. And it also goes the same with a pair of Peerless hinged. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like if you want to see more. Better subscribe. Till next time. Deuces.